The 2003 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third-row seat, airbags, power steering, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, FWD, rear window defroster, power windows, ventilated front disc brakes, overhead console, tachometer, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, body side moldings, body color bumpers, body color door handles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.